Hi, hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing you how I prepare my nails for BIAB application. This video is actually an update of a video that I put up last year. I use some new techniques and stuff, so I hope you enjoy. Bye! I start off with filing most of the product off. For this I use a fine safety bit at around 10k RPM. My e-file is in forward mode as I move from right to left. If I move from left to right, I will put it in reverse. After removing most of the product with my e-file, I'll go in with these foils and acetone to soak the rest of the product off. I do this because I find it a little bit safer for my natural nail, and this way I also don't have to be scared to accidentally drill into my natural nail. So I just like it this way. You'll also see that I actually never do an infill on my BIAB nails, and that is because I don't like the look of infill BIAB nails. I find them a little bit too bulky and I like my BIAB quite thin. And I also find that that way I have the flexibility to change the colors when I want to. So that's why I never infill my BIAB nails. After the product is removed, I'll go in with my cuticle pusher and I start pushing the cuticle back and up. I always start from the corner because it's a little bit easier to push your cuticle up that way. I also already push it up because then it's a little bit easier to clean under it with your nail drill. After pushing the cuticle, I go in with my nail buffer. This is a 180 nail buffer to remove the natural shine from my nail, to remove any leftover product, but also to remove some sticky residue that's like around the cuticle and in the side walls, just so I have to clean less with my e-file. Alright, so after buffing I go into shaping a natural nail. I've had square nails for the last 3 years and this is actually my first time doing oval nails. So you see me spending quite a lot of time on it because yeah, it's the first time doing oval nails. So it was a bit of a trial and error. I actually have been really liking how they look on me, so I have been wearing them ever since. I also find that they're a bit stronger than square nails. I find that they lift a little bit less, they're just a little bit more durable, I find, so I've been really liking this. So after shaping my nails, I go in and start cleaning under the cuticle and in the sidewalls. I have been going in with a pusher tool like this to manually clean under cuticle and the sidewalls. I actually have really been liking this way because it's a bit faster than using my e-file, and I also have to spend less time with my e-file on my natural nail, so there's a smaller chance of me damaging my natural nail. So after using that tool to clean under the nail, I go in with my e-file. I use a fine flame bit at 8,000 rotations per minute to clean under the cuticle and in the sidewalls. When I move from right to left, I put my file in forward mode. And you will see in a bit that when I move from left to right, I put my nail drill in reverse. My nail drill is also in reverse when I'm pushing the cuticle up to expose the dead skin that I'll cut later. But you see that in a bit. You can see that I start from the corners and I put my nail file at a small diagonal, so at a small angle. Because it's a flame bit, I can't put it parallel to the natural nail, or I would create kind of a dent in my natural nail, so I put it at a small angle. When I get to the sidewalls, I put it parallel to the skin and I kind of comb the skin out. That way I remove all the built up and keratinized skin that's in the sidewalls. Here you can see me going from left to right, and here my nail drill is in reverse. And then here you can see what I mean by pushing the cuticle up to expose the dead skin. I'm moving from right to left, but my nail drill is in reverse and I'm pushing the cuticle up. That way you kind of create this rim of dead skin, so it's easier to see what you have to cut later on. After cutting the skin, I like to polish the skin as well to remove any leftover bits that I might have missed while cutting it. In this video while filming it, I was trying some new techniques to polish the skin. So in some places I kind of overworked the skin, but I actually really liked this technique where you use a fine ball bit at 5,000 rotations per minute in forward mode on wet skin. I find that it really nicely and gently exfoliates the nail and polishes the skin a little bit further, so it really gives a nice and smooth end result. So after that is done, I dehydrate the nail very thoroughly with a velvet scrub. You can also just use acetone. And after that, my nails are ready for application. So thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful. And please like, comment if you have questions, and subscribe. Bye!